Howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Craig and I have a training company called Templar Defense. I am also a brown belt in Jiu-Jitsu and then have about 5+ years of Muay Thai experience underneath my belt. We're going to look at a video today talking or showing you guys firsthand why I think a wrestling or a Jiu-Jitsu background is the best form of self-defense. And I get asked that a lot, and I usually respond with yes. You know, Jiu-Jitsu, in my opinion, is the best form of self-defense. But to get them to see for themselves, I encourage them to get on YouTube or the internet and whatever, and just search street fights. See what happens, right? There's a common denominator in all of these instances. And so here I've got a video you guys might have seen, but what we have is we have a Jeet Kune Do guy versus a Wing Chun. I'm going to call the guy in the striped shirt Where's Waldo, and then we got the guy in the black shirt. So Where's Waldo shows up to this other guy's class in his backyard, and it starts off as a friendly conversation, but let's talk about it.
To keep the groin guarded, here, and then keep the movement going, because you don't want to be standing straight.
First off, if I'm in a street fight with you and I see your front leg that far out, I'm just going to leg kick it until you fall down. Thank you, Mark Beecher.
You want to keep a little bit of a movement going, so you're always moving, but you're not stiff, but you're not like that. So particularly if you do have a kick, and you never kick heavy, you never do it like this from here. You know, these kicks from here. You do if it's let's say a short range kick, you do this kick. Okay. But never this kick, like from here. Let's say a spinning back kick.
I'll also tell you guys this: a kick where your leg is fully extended and you have good hip rotation has infinitely more power than something like this. There's not enough time for that kinetic energy to or that potential energy to get displayed as kinetic. That's one of the reasons why Muay Thai kicks are so effective, right? They reach full extension. Go look at the punter, right? Kicking a ball. If you want the optimum power, that foot is making contact with the ball right as that knee is reaching full extension.
You know, spinning back, let's say you get blocked, you get kicked in my leg here. You get kicked in my ass or whatever you're doing.
You fast forward for you guys.
So we negated all of that, because you're throwing any kind of kick, I want to attack that foot. Now, for some reason, you're trying to kick with that foot, then I can attack that back foot off the line if I want to. Or
so if I'm going to kick with this leg, you're going to attack that foot, right? If I lift this, you're going to lift that leg?
You have that option, or you can just go straight to that one. Or you can stop foot and hit.
Okay,
simplify it.
So the guy in the black shirt has kind of had enough of this, and he's basically tells the guy, nut up or shut up. Let's put it to the test, right? You want to see if your move, your skill, or whatever works. Let's put it to the test. And that's one of the things that I love about jiu-jitsu is if somebody has an idea or something that they want to try out, we don't need to talk about it. Let's go proof it, right? Let's go proof test or pressure test it. And if it works, continue to do it. If not, just throw it away. But you'll see Where's Waldo's not a fan of that. He doesn't really want to find out what he's about.
Go easy, right? Want me to go easy?
So which side? Okay.
I don't know. You gotta, let me know. I'll go
black
super
shirt.
easy.
He's ready to spar. He's like, let's go, man. Let's pressure test it.
Because I'm not really kicking. Don't do that shit. Let's get sparring.
Hey. Listen, young man. Young man. Young man.
Really defensive, very inappropriate. When you, regardless of what martial art, man, you go to somebody else's gym school class, you need to respect. Regardless of what you think, there needs to be a level of respect there, and that's not here.
Let's get sparring.
Young man.
No.
Respect your elders. Young man. Young man. You're coming to my. I've been disrespectful. You walked into my motherfucking class talking.
You've been disrespectful the whole time, bro. You've been putting me down the whole time since I've been here, bro.
That's how you feel, man?
Yeah, it's been disrespectful.
So what, you want to put some gloves on, man? You want to spar? You want to put...
So it's about to get fun. We've got 2 stand-up fighting styles, and I want you to watch and see what happens.
Gloves on right now? Get this man some gloves. Since you want to be up here, because I will knock you the fuck out, my nigga. Knock you the fuck. My nigga, knock you through. What you think you talking to my...
Didn't It's maybe one move of Wing Chun, but guys, fist fight, brawl goes straight to the ground. It's almost always going to go straight to the ground. And if you don't know how to fight from the ground or on the ground, it's like throwing a kid who doesn't know how to swim into the deep end. So we're just going to get in some ground and pound right now.
Fucking break you, bitch. You fucking kidding me? Fucking kidding me, bitch? Fucking punching me, bitch. Yeah, fucking bitch. I will fuck you up in here, bitch. Fuck you talking about?
One of the easiest things to do in this situation, just simple white belt sweep, both feet on the hips, grab his back of his Achilles, and man, just launch the dude. Or from right here, I would come up to a single leg wrestling, or it's a single leg get up essentially. And so from there, you've got your right leg, your left arm. I would just do a complete technical stand up, and you'll get the takedown. And then you can knee bar the dude or do whatever you want from there.
Fuck you, man. Fucking punching me in your fucking plate. What's your problem, bro?
Really impressed with this full Jeet Kune Do. This is amazing. I've never seen it. I've never seen it do this.
You'll get your ass fucked up. Fuck out of here.
A lot of restraint shown by the guy in black. He could have really put a hurting on Where's Waldo. But yeah, guys, just a perfect example of if you want to know what to study, go look and see what happens in real life. And more than likely, that fight's going to go to the ground. So you need to know how to fight from there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got questions, put them down in the description, or not the description, the comments. In my description, if y'all want to support the channel, I've got some links down there to Amazon page, and then also some other affiliate links to some companies that I support. And you guys want to help us, please do so. Nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be smart, be skilled. Catch you on the next video.